This video we're talking about one of the fundamental property of algebra, which is called the associative property. Associative property works for addition and multiplication, and it tells us we can group things together whichever order we want, and we're still gonna get the correct answer. For example, here we have a, B and C. These are the three real numbers, and we have in the left hand side A plus B plus C. So guys, the associative property tells us that if we group together A plus B and then we add C in the result of this group A plus B, we get the same answer if we group together B plus C and then we add this result of the B plus C group into the number A, and we're still gonna get the same answer. So this is the associative property, or in other words, no matter how we group things together, no matter how we group the numbers together, we're still gonna end up with the same answer. For example, here we still gonna end up with the A plus B plus C. Here on the right hand side also A plus B plus C. So no matter how we group things together, we gonna end up with the same answer or with the same result. For example, here we have three real numbers 3, 2 and 1, and let's see if this is true in this case here with this example. So for here we have 3 plus 2 grouped together and then added into the 1, and on the right hand side we have 3 plus brackets 2 plus 1. It means first we have grouped 3 and 2 together and then we have add 1 into this number. This is in the left hand side, and in the right hand side we have group 2 and 1 and then we have add this answer into the 3. So when we group together 3 and 2, when we add 3 plus 2, it will be 5, and then we have add the result of this group into the 1. So that will be 5 plus 1, and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So this is in the left hand side. So in the right hand side, first we have grouped 2 and 1 and then we have add the answer into the 3. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. So is it 6? So here guys, no matter how we group things together, we still gonna get the same answer, and this is the associative property. So here we can say right hand side is equal to left hand side, or vice versa, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Alright, so and let's talk about now the associative property in the multiplication. As we did before with the addition, same thing applied to the multiplication. So use the associative property to simplify this expression. Here this time they are in multiplication. So here what we have, if we group together A and B and then we multiply that answer to the C, or and on the right hand side, if we group together first B and C and then multiply with A, we still gonna get the same answer. So here A dot B group together, A dot B means A multiply B. So here we will get A dot B and then we have to multiply with C. So we will get A dot B dot C. So it will be equal to, if we group together B dot C and then we multiply with it A, so we will get the same answer. So on the both side A dot B dot C, it means A multiply B multiply C will be equal to A multiply B multiply C. So in other words, no matter how we group things together, we're still going to end up with the same result. So let's clear out this associative property in multiplication by using this example. So here we have again three real number, 3, 2 and 1. This time we have grouped together 3 and 2, and then the result of the multiply will be multiplying to the 1. And if we group together 2 and 1 first, if you multiply 2 and 1 first and then multiply the result with the 3, we will get the same results. So let's do that. So here we have grouped together 3 times 2, that will be 6 times 1, and 6 times will be 6. So here we have grouped together first 1. So 2 multiply 1 will be 2, and then 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So we can see here on both side, left hand side and right hand side, we have get the answer 6. It means no matter how we group things together, or if the things are grouped together differently, we won't get the different answer, we will get the same answer. And that is the feature of the associative property, which is the most fundamental and most usable property in the algebra.